Go. Oh, away from sound.
Hey everyone, it's your forest friend Bigfoot. Today we're finding inner peace with yoga. Let's stretch those mystical muscles.
Strange noise. Not beast. Not wind.
Welcome back, campers. Today we're cooking s'mores, forest style. Gourmet marshmallow madness begins now.
You've probably seen those Bigfoot and Yeti vlog videos popping up lately, right? Yep, this topic is blowing up like crazy on YouTube and TikTok, pulling in tons of views and subscribers fast. Coincidentally, a few of my followers asked me how to create Bigfoot and Yeti vlogs too. So I figured, why not make a full step-by-step tutorial video? If you're interested, don't miss this one. After lots of trial and error, I've simplified the whole process to make it super beginner-friendly. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. We need a video story script. If you're good at writing, you can totally come up with your own. I tried writing one myself, but honestly, it turned out terrible, so I let AI help me out. I used both ChatGPT and Gemini to generate story scripts and video prompts. At the end of this video, I'll show you the final videos made from each script. You can help me rate them and comment which one you liked more. Let's start with the one ChatGPT made. Copy any viral video link and paste this into ChatGPT. Help me analyze this video and break down its structure and storyboards. Just add the link at the end. ChatGPT will quickly break it down for you. The point of doing this is to help ChatGPT understand what you want it to create next. Now continue with this prompt. I want to create similar Bigfoot vlog video. Please generate me 3 brand new video scripts. 8 seconds per storyboard, total 6 to 8 storyboards. You might be wondering, why 8 seconds per storyboard? Why not more or less? Hold on, we'll get to that in a second. Once you get your script, let's take the first one as an example. Video 1, Bigfoot Tries Yoga in the Woods. Now input. Please generate Google VO3 video prompt for each storyboard. Now you get it. Why 8 seconds? Because VO3 videos are exactly 8 seconds long. But wait, these prompts don't have voiceover included. So we enter one more prompt. Add voiceover for each storyboard, format like he says. Now the VO3 prompts look pretty solid. Once we've got our prompts ready, it's time to generate the video. I first tried generating the video inside Gemini. Sadly, since I only have Gemini Pro, not Ultra, I can only generate 3 videos per day for free. Good news though, students can use Gemini Pro for free. And you will see actually, the results aren't bad. That said, Gemini isn't the focus here. Just know that Gemini works with VO3 too. Our main focus is using Flow to generate a full video. To avoid repeating steps, I use ChatGPT again to create prompts for Video 2, Bigfoot Tries Cooking Marshmallows. I already generated 6 storyboards for this in Flow, and I'll show you the full result at the end. Even better, VO3 now has a fast mode with audio. Each generation only costs 20 credits, which is perfect while we're still learning VO3 and Flow. It keeps the cost low while we figure things out. Not everyone needs to upgrade to Ultra, right? Back to Gemini. I used the same prompt to create a script there. But the results were slightly different from ChatGPT. Let's see if Gemini's version performs better. After all, Gemini and Veo 3 are both from Google. Now let's walk through the process in Flow. Copy the first storyboard prompt, go to Flow and click New Project. Choose Veo 3, Fast, Text to Video, to save credits. Paste the prompt, delete the voiceover line, and replace it with "he says." Then hit send. Once it's generated, you'll see the result. If it doesn't look right, tweak it. For example, remove the first sentence and change it to "the Bigfoot holding a selfie stick." That already feels better. You may need to adjust other storyboard prompts too. Once done, generate all 6 scenes. Download each one, then stitch them together in CapCut. If you don't want to edit manually, use Flow's Add to Sense feature to combine the clips. Just drag each clip into the timeline. After done, click Arrange to set the order. And then hit Download to get your full video. Now, let's talk consistency. When you generate scenes separately, the character's appearance might not stay consistent. So how do we fix that in Flow? Follow me. Let's take one clip. Click Add to Sense. Move it to where you want on the timeline. Click the plus icon and save frame as asset. This switches to frames to video mode. But here's the catch. You can only use Veo 2 because I'm not an Ultra user. If you are an Ultra user, you can use Veo 3 directly. The good part? Veo 2 keeps character consistency super well. Downside? No sound. But it only costs 10 credits per generation, which is great for low-budget testing. Alright, let's look at the 2 video results. First one from ChatGPT.
Welcome back, campers. Today, we're cooking s'mores, forest style. Gourmet marshmallow madness begins now. Okay, I know fire's a primitive skill, but come on, even cavemen would have brought a lighter.
Look at that golden brown beauty. Crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, just like forest dreams.
And we're officially flambeing the forest. Who ordered crispy lava puff?
10 out of 10, hair in every bite, but still delicious.
Hey! Get back here, ya fluffy marshmallow bandit!
Second one from Gemini.
New place. Good trees. Quiet. Hear me. Strange noise. Not beast. Not wind. Little hairless. Fast. Go. Oh. Away from sound. What was that? Different. Strange.
Which one do you think is better? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It really motivates me to make more tutorials like this. Got questions? Or want me to explore another niche? Leave a comment. I'll reply to everyone I see. Oh, and if you want the exact prompts I used in this video, check out the WhatsApp channel link in the description. Feel free to browse my channel too. You might just find a new spark of inspiration. Who knows, right? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck!